Hi guys! I am Chelsea and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, kami ay mag-guess the word again ni Kuya Borns. At sa mananalo ay makakuha ng 20 pesos. Okay, please.
You're a true genius, it's Lovebird.
Snowman.
Snowman.
Ay, siya na. Oh. 1 point ako. Oh, 1-1. 1-1. Guard track down. Number 390.
Fire truck.
Then questions na. Then questions.
Butterfly.
Oh. Lucas. 2-1.
Butterfly. Let's see if you can crack this one.
A chocolate. Toto.
Yes, it's hot chocolate.
Burger King.
Burger King. Can you guess this one? Pirate. Pancake.